Welcome back to Fun Facts Unleashed, your go-to spot for fun, laughter, and surprisingly practical life hacks. Today, we're diving into a challenge that's a nightmare for almost everyone. Stubborn stains, coffee spills, ketchup disasters, mysterious red blobs. We've all been there. But don't panic. First, let's talk about why stains are so tricky. Fabrics are porous, and liquids seep into the fibers, making them cling to your clothes. But nature has some clever helpers, like baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice, that can lift stains without harsh chemicals. Hack number 1. Baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a tiny bit of water, rub it gently onto the stain, and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Then rinse or wash normally. This works wonders on coffee, grease, or even shoe scuffs. Bonus, it smells neutral and isn't harsh on fabrics. Hack number 2. Vinegar and dish soap magic. Combine equal parts white vinegar and dish soap. Apply to the stain. Let it sit, then rinse. It's like a mini science experiment right in your laundry room. Warning, you might feel like a mad scientist. Lab coat optional. For colored stains like berries or wine, try lemon juice and sunlight. Apply lemon juice to the stain and let it bask in the sun for a while. The combination of citric acid and UV rays can naturally break down the pigment. Just make sure it's okay for the fabric. Don't sunbathe your favorite black sweater by mistake. Fun fact, some stains actually come out better with cold water, not hot. Hot water can set certain stains like blood or milk proteins. Who knew temperature mattered that much in laundry? Here is a question for you. What is the weirdest thing you've ever spilled on clothes? Coffee, ketchup, paint, or maybe something mysterious? Comment below. We love funny and horrifying stories. Thanks for cleaning up with Fun Facts Unleashed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to learn more handy humorous hacks that make life easier and more fun.